Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to day 15 of our 30-day Python series. In today's session, we'll be exploring the list method. So we have already created this part 1. So please, before you see this part 2, go and watch a part 1. Alright. So let's get into our Jupyter notebook and start the rest of the methods in the list here. This is our Jupyter notebook and we are starting with the first method called pop method. So what do you mean by the pop method? So here pop method, it removes and return an element from a specified index. Okay. So now I'm creating a variable called element equals. See, I have created a list here. So that is my list and I have given an item 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 here. Okay. So I'm calling the same list here underscore. I'm giving a list name dot pop. So here, this is a function. So you have to close the bracket. So now I want to pop the item number 3. So I'll give it a 3 here. I will print element, enter, print my underscore list. Okay. So here we go. We got the output as 50 here. Okay. And here we have a list that is 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now let us understand the other method that is called a count method. Count method. So this count method count occurrence of an element. Okay, how many times this element is coming? Okay, that will count it here. So let me create a list here, a variable called x, and here 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. Okay, let me close this. Now here, print x dot count 40, close, enter. So here we go, we got the output. Set the 40 is repeating for a 2 times here. Here we have a 40 and 40. So 2 times. So this is how many times the item is occurring in the list. So for to know that, we'll be using the count method. All right. Yes, so now let us understand our next method, that is your hashtag maximum method. Enter. So see, maximum method helps to find the maximum value in the list. So now I'm creating a variable name called A and creating a list here 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40, comma 44, 89, 90. Okay, so this is my list here. So now I want to print the highest value, that is maximum value in the list. So max dot print max A. Okay, maximum of A. Here we go. We got the output as 90. So the maximum value in the list is 90 here. Okay. So now let us print the minimum value. Okay. So hashtag minimum method. Okay. So here in the minimum method, so here we are going to figure it out minimum value in the list. So here the same thing, just I'll give a print minimum of A. Enter. So here we go. The minimum of A is 10. So this is the smallest value in the list, 10. And the highest value in the list is 90. Okay. Now next we have a sort function, hashtag sort method. So what is the sort method? It sorts the list in an ascending order. Okay. Here I'm creating a variable name called x equals, let me give a list, 12 comma 45 comma 78 comma 90. So this is my list. Okay, so here x dot sort. Okay, then friend x. Here we go. So see here, from the smallest value to highest value. So by default, it will give you in an ascending order: 11, 12, 13, 14, 45, 78, and 90. So if you want to see that in the descending order, what you have to do here is you have to use a reverse method. Reverse method. Okay, enter. So now in the reverse method, we give it x dot reverse print x. Okay, let's see here. See, from capital from the highest value, 90, 78, 45, 13, 12, and 11. You are getting the output from the maximum value. When you use a sort method, so by default you will get it in ascending order. If you want it in a descending order, you have to give it a reverse here. Okay, reverse method. Now the last method we have it here is copy method. Copy method. And yes, so why do we use this copy method? So here, this copy method helps us to create a shallow copy of the list. Now here I'm creating a new list called new underscore lists. So this is a variable name I have given. Now I'm calling the same list, so which I have already created, that is x dot copy. Close it. Now let us print our new list, new underscore list. Okay, let's run. So here we go. So we got the copy of that list here. Okay, so that's it for today. We explored the Python list and their properties, and we have learned about the various built-in methods in the list. So lists are a fundamental part of Python programming and are widely used in data manipulations. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the rest of the series. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.